Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can update a manual journal in Xero, so let's get started. If you need to fix a mistake or make an adjustment to an already recorded manual journal, Xero makes this process quite simple, whether the journal is still a draft or already posted. Your very first step should be to locate the journal entry, and you can easily do this by heading into the accounting menu, selecting Reports, and then running the journal report, which lists all your past entries. Once the report is open, click the Go to Manual Journals button, and you will see all your entries neatly separated into draft, posted, and all tabs, so simply open the specific journal you need to modify. When the journal entry screen appears, look for the Journal Options button near the top, click it, and then select Edit from the drop-down menu, allowing you to instantly change details like the account codes, amounts, description, or the narration. Remember, if the journal was already posted, Xero takes care of the complex accounting by automatically reversing the original entry and creating a new, updated journal to maintain an accurate audit trail. So after making all your necessary corrections, simply click Post or Save as Draft to finalize the change. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.